Quieras.
¿Ustedes?
Soy Padre Romel Bongkak, soy de Pilipinas, ¿no? Y solo estoy ayudando I'm just helping the community here of the Agustinians in Sayuta because sometimes the Agustinians or members of the Agustinians will have their vacations every summer or durante el verano. Así que somos agustinos y we help each other so to propagate the faith and to también to help other communities in Spain.
Ok. ¿Cuánto tiempo llevas tú ordenado?
I was ordained in 2011 and I'm now a 15 years as priest,
Yeah.
como sacerdote 15 años.
En Ceuta es una ciudad culturalmente muy diversa.
Sí.
Cristianos, musulmanes,
Sí, sí,
hindús,
sí.
judíos. ¿Cómo ve usted esa convivencia multirreligiosa?
For me, it's because we cannot limit the people of God, no, in one denomination, one religion, because the people of God is encompassing, and that's why, when it comes to the living with other denominations, other religions, is for me a sign of a real multicultural, no, multicultural living within the place, and it's a sign of a form of religiosity within the city or within the people, because it shows that the people are very religious, no, despite of the many religions, denominations, but I think the people are very religious because whatever churches or wherever they go, they have the sense of God in themselves, no? And I think this is also a form of this is a point where we can help each other, no? Help each other to discover who really God is in our lives as people of God.
So tolerance is essential for the people.
See, and most important in this aspect is dialogue.
Yeah.
No? Interreligious dialogue is one of the most important aspect in one community. En una comunidad tenemos que dialogar, ¿no? Porque para mejorar las relaciones que tenemos dentro de la ciudad, por ejemplo en Ceuta, porque es muy importante dialogar y hablar sobre nuestra fe, ¿no?
Muchas gracias y un
De
verdadero
nada,
placer.
hermanos.